Magandang hapon po sa inyo. Nagsan relax to juice. Mabalik para sa inyong update ngayong hapon mga kaibigan. Yes, may entrata. And doon yung Pangilinan plus Kyle Echari Luyanong and Jeremiah Lisbo ay nasa hospital po ang shooting mga kaibigan. And nakabalik na si Mary Del from Los Angeles mga kaibigan. And heto, kumakalat po itong mga video at photos ni Mama Entrata, Luyanong, Tony and Kyle na nasa hospital po somewhere in Bataan mga kaibigan para sa kanilang shooting. So yes, hindi pa po namatay si Luna sa seryeng Roja mga kaibigan dahil tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang laban ng magkakaibigang Donnie, Kyle, and Maymay, or shall we call them Luna, Liam, and Olsen. So, tuloy-tuloy din po ang kasayahan nating panoorin sila gabi-gabi sa seryeng Roja po, mga kaibigan. So, hindi pa po natin maramdaman yung sabing baka hanggang bukas lang, hanggang sa susunod na linggo lang may maentrata kasi nga po tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang shooting sa Cycle 4 kasama ang Maymay Entrata ng Bayan. Taga-subaybay ng Bubblies ni Don Bell, hindi daw po si Donnie yun mga kaibigan. Aba, hindi na pala nila kilala ang height at ang buhok ng isang Donnie Pangilinan. Kung kaya napalaban na naman ang mga followers ni Mama Entrata, gawa ng hindi matapos-tapos na panlalait na naman ang ginawa ng mga bashers ng mga fake account. Gumawa sila ng kanilang fake account mga kaibigan para sugurin at para awayin si Maymay Entrata sa Twitter mga kaibigan. So dahil po sa hindi pinapayagan ng mga taga-subaybay ni Maymay Entrata ang ginagawang napaka low belt na panlalait nitong Bubblies na hindi naman natin alam kung totoo bang Bubblies ba talaga sila or baka gawa-gawa lang din na para lang ingayin, like lagyan pa ng more fuel ang gulo na nangyayari sa Twitter mga kaibigan. So yes, sabi nila ang daming mga picture na lumabas dahil sa inilabas nila yung mga lumang picture ni Maymay at yung waki ni Maymay sa bahay ni Kuya, kaya walang nagawa po ang mga taga-subaybay ni Maymay kundi ilabas din ang mga picture ni Bel Mariano mga kaibigan. Ang sabi nila ay something of which I don't want to mention mga kaibigan. If you are a social account holder sa Twitter, sa Facebook, sa Instagram, siguro ay makita ninyo ang mga picture na yan na ipinang-post ng mga followers ni Mama Entrata na napalaban sa palitan ng mga salita dahilan sa napakabad na po ng mga pinamimigay na mga body shaming nitong nagpakilalang believers or Donnie and Bell supporters. But they said they are more of Bell lovers. Kung kaya, heto at pinoprotektahan nila si Bell. Dahilan po sa ginagawa nila ay napalaban naman din po ang mga Maiden Warriors at ipinakita rin nila yung mga mukha na hindi kaya-ayang ilagay dito sa social media mga kaibigan. So, sana ay matigil na yan. Kung ano man ang ginagawa ninyo, hindi po maganda yan. That is cyberbullying. Sabi dito ni Your Online Kapamilya, nakakatuwa yung action scene ni Maymay. Parang karakter sa video games. Si Olsen naman, dakilang aburido na para bang may alam sa technical stuff na wala naman. So, yes mga kaibigan, yan po ang mga pinagsasabi ng mga tawag dito, nakapanood na ng serye. I'm with ABS-CBN on this one kasi nga po may problema po ang ABS-CBN sa ngayon. Dahilan po daw ay puputulin daw po ang kanilang collaboration with TV5. Dahilan po sa may mga technicalities, may mga problema sila about finances mga kaibigan. Sabi dito, I'm with the ABS-CBN on this one. Huwag kayong papaniwala riyan kay MVP. Sino ba si MVP? He did the same thing with Maya when he couldn't boss them around. Nalala niyo na nung ang dami niyang negang talak sa Maya months ago, considering he has a stake in the company. Sabi kasi ni ABS-CBN, a message to the kapamilya regarding our TV5 partnership. We want you to hear this directly from us. ABS-CBN has received notice that our partnership with TV5 may end. While we are doing everything we can to resolve this matter within the short time we have been given, we want to be transparent with you people about what's happening. Since losing our franchise in 2020 in the midst of a pandemic, we have faced challenges unlike any in our history. We've had to rebuild from the ground up, operating at a loss while staying true to our mission. These financial constraints are real, but they have never diminished our commitment to you. We know we have obligations to fulfill, and we are working as hard as we can to, honor them. But whatever happens, our service to you will continue. We will find ways to reach you, just as we found our way back to you after losing our franchise. In the service of the Filipino is our purpose, and we will strive to pursue this no matter the odds. So, nagpapahiwatig ba ito na maapektuhan ang mga shows na napapanood sa TV5 mga kaibigan, gaya na lang ng Batang Quiapo, whatever. Roha. Ano kayang mangyayari mga kaibigan? Well, anyways, ipinagkakalat niya po ng ABS-CBN sa lahat ng social media platforms to inform the general viewing public about their situation sa mga panahong ito mga kaibigan. For now, let's just continue praying na masettle na po nila ang kanilang problema so that we can continue watch Roha and other favorite TV shows sa TV5 mga kaibigan na kasalukuyang ine-enjoy po natin. For now, yan po muna ang ating pa-update. Ayan. So, since wala tayong makitang update ng Roha sa Netflix for 2 days now, aantay na lang natin bukas, or I will try and check later at home kung meron na ba mga kaibigan for me to share that with you. Sabi niyo po, bakit putol-putol? Kasi hindi po natin pwedeng ibigay ng buo sa inyo mga kaibigan, or else makaka-cover po tayo, and we have no right to do that. So ang gawa ng po natin, ginawa natin ng paraan, we chop the whole episodes into how many video clips mga kaibigan to share with you kung ano man yung kilig at anong happiness na nararamdaman po ng inyong abang likod habang nanonood ng Roha sa Netflix mga kaibigan. And yes, this is your host and your friend Alexandra Lexter Jules. Sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe ng ating channel, don't forget to press that button for subscription, and yes, tap the notification bell for you to know at ma-notify kayo kailan po mag-a-upload si Alexander ng mga videos and short videos sa ating channel mga kaibigan. Thank you sa mga nakasubscribe na, and I will see you later for more updates mga kaibigan. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, speaking fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go.